Good morning everyone. Today we think of health, how to improve the health through our psychological powers. The question frequently asked is, when a person has manifested a disease in the body, temple or some kind of discomfort in their life, can it be cured, turned around through the power of right thinking? And the answer is absolutely yes. The healing of power is within. We live in the scientific world where the medical science has made a great progress. Therefore, the drug prescribed by a doctor has a value as a remedy. But consider a situation where the patient also applies autosuggestions. This is likely to give better results compared to the patient taking only the drug and no suggestions or positive thinking, or does not have any belief in body's healing powers. As a matter of fact, when a person lives in harmony with the nature and the laws of the nature, he may enjoy good health always. On the other hand, he may not be healthy if he constantly talks negative or entertains unhealthy thoughts or worries about illness. Hence, to maintain good health, it is necessary to have positive and healthy focused thoughts. If due to some reason you have fallen sick, it is rather necessary to feed the mind and body with thoughts of health and holistic healing. This is so because every cell of our body is affected by our thoughts. Some people constantly worry about the particular illness, and they worry so much that eventually invite that disease into their body. It is given a name, psychosomatic problem or psychosomatic disorder, whereby the person's state of mind manifests the problem or disease in the body, whereas simply by continuously having healthy thoughts, it is possible to have healthy body, healthy mind and lead to a healthy life. How to use autosuggestions for healthy and holistic feeling. Combining autosuggestions or affirmations with good lifestyle is a powerful way to health. Visualize a healthy body and repeat the appropriate suggestions to yourself. Combine a few affirmations. Say these affirmations at least 100 times, preferably when you are relaxed. Allow yourself to 5 to 6 months and see the results. Given below are select affirmations or autosuggestions for healthy and holistic healing. Please use these regularly with full faith and visualization and be benefited in life. What are the suggestions that should be followed? Every morning, get up, give good breath and just read or hear these following suggestions for your health and holistic healing. Every day and every way I am healthier and healthier. Every day in every way I am healthier and healthier. My body knows how to heal itself and used to doing so every moment. I eat healthy and stay healthy. Every day my eyesight is better than the previous day. Every day my eyesight is better than the previous day. I get good sleep every night and get up fresh every morning. I get good sleep every night and get up fresh every morning. I love exercise and exercise daily. I am grateful to my healthy body and bless every part of my body. Perfect health is my divine right and I claim it now. Every cell in my body is healthy and radiates health. My immune system is very strong and can deal with any kind of bacteria, germs and viruses. I am now ready to enjoy perfect health. I am capable and ready to heal my body. I attract pure health and wholeness every day. With every passing moment, my health is getting better and better. I am known for my positive energy and healthy lifestyle. I always choose options that are best for my health. I love taking care of myself. Every organ in my body is healthy and functions at its optimum level. I am pain free in every respect and my body is full of energy. Throughout the day I am full of energy. Please repeat and follow these suggestions in your mind whenever you are free and relaxed so that your life is improved. You are born to win. Enjoy your life with full faith and get success everywhere. Your health is in your hand. You can cure any disease with your mind power, with medicine. Don't stop any medicine. Medicine plus your psychological feeling will you in every aspect. Okay, take care of you. All the best. Take care of you. Your health is in your hand. Remember that always. Good luck.